Hi guys, Abs here and welcome to a demonstration of SociLinkz. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can work with the system so that you can submit and add your posts and get them submitted to the high authority Tumblr blog network. So when you actually log in guys and you're inside of the system, then there's only one small thing that you need to do, and that is to tell us where you want us to send the links. And you do this by telling the software what kind of post you like. So you can add an article post, an image post, or a video post. Let me show you exactly what they look like first, and then I'll actually show you how to create them. So here's one of my Tumblr blogs here, guys. This is a video post. A video post will give you an embed on the home page, and at the same time, it will give you an anchor text link back to your video as well. So if I click on here, guys, what you'll see, it goes over to the video, and the video is also embedded on the home page, and I can click it and play it. Okay, and an image post, guys, let me show you an image post. An image post is like this. An image will be added and the image will be click-throughed to your website. So if I click on this, guys, it's going to go over to my website. But just one thing that I noticed, guys, the other day was that some Tumblr themes are not allowing click-throughs, and because they're not allowing click-throughs, guys, it means that the image is being placed on the home page and it's not giving us that click-through. However, we do add anchor text links with the image as well, guys, so you'll still be able to get the anchor text backlink with the image that we add in the caption area. You can't see an example on here, guys, and the reason you can't see an example on here is because this Tumblr website here is actually my Tumblr buffer site, guys. So I actually use this to send links to from the Tumblr blog network, and as you can see in my description area, I have an anchor text link. I have two anchor text links in my description area. I have this clicking through to my website, and I have contextually rich articles on here as well, guys, that I've added, all to do with things like vegan bodybuilding. Okay, and an article post, guys, is like this. We don't actually add the images in the article post, but an article post is like this, when article is added, and then you have your anchor text link inside of the article. Okay, so they're the three types of posts, guys. So you've got the image post, you've got the article post, and you also have the video embeds and video links as well. Okay, now when you're inside of the system, to create an article post, guys, we don't actually allow you to add your own articles inside of here. And the reason we don't allow this, guys, is because we need to make sure that we have some type of quality guidance and guidelines that we can follow. So what we do is we actually use articles that are perfect for Web 2.0 sites, and we've been using them for ages and ages, guys. And these are the exact same articles that I use with the kind of results that I've shown you as well. So the way you work with this, guys, is you click on article post, and just be sure to read these guidelines, guys. We don't want you linking out to affiliate products. Okay, if you want to promote an affiliate product, guys, link out to it from your own website and use this system to either link out to your buffer site or to your website. Don't link out to affiliate products. Don't link out to products or URLs that redirect to affiliate products or adult related content, which includes porn and Viagra and dating and escort sites. Or we don't want multi-level marketing or abusive schemes or offensive content or anything like that on here, guys. Okay, it's a clean network, guys. Keep it clean, and I promise you'll get some great value from this. We'll all get great value from this. Okay, so you add your URL in here, guys, the URL that you want to promote. Hopefully you've made yourself a buffer site, guys. So you're going to add your buffer site in here, and your buffer site is the site that links out to your main money site. So you'll add your buffer site URL in here. You'll choose your article category. Now, if an article category, or if your buffer site or if your website's category isn't on here, guys, then I'm afraid there's nothing that we can do about that at the moment. And the only thing that I can advise you to do, guys, is either choose a very close category to your article, to your category, or use the image posts and use the video posts. Now, the image posts are always going to get you, always going to allow you to add images on there that are niche specific to your niche, guys. And at the same time, it's going to allow you to get an anchor text backlink from the actual caption section of the image as well. Okay, so you add your URL in there, you choose your article category here, guys, you add your anchor text in here, one per line, spin syntax is also supported, guys, and what happens is the software, when it posts two of your posts today, for example, it'll use the first two anchor text, then it'll use the second two anchor text, and then the third two anchor text, and whatnot, you guys. And just remember, guys, you can go out there and you can use something like HQ Suggest, you can use something like Niche Genetics, you can use something like Uber Suggest or whatever you want to build all of these niche specific and related keywords that are going to be linking out to your buffer site from our Tumblr blog network. And you'll add them all here, one per line, or you can add your spin syntax. Once the system has exhausted the list, then it'll start again from the top again, guys. Okay, and then you tell the software how many links you want. So if you want to get 2 links to this buffer site, or if you want to get 50 links, or if you want to get 600 links, guys, just add your figure inside of here and click on add post, and the software will drip feed the content at the rate of 2 links per day to the high authority blog networks. And you can get reports from each post as well, guys. And as you can see here, this shows it's got an image icon there, which is an image post. This shows it's got like an article icon there, guys, which is an article post. And this shows it's got a video sort of icon there, which tells you it's a video post as well. And you can go ahead and add as many as you like. Okay, but my advice to you is just remember, guys, the way the system works is I've got 3 posts in here. So what the software is going to do is going to take one of these posts and post it today, and then it's going to take another one of these posts and post it today as well, because it only gets me 2. So it'll take 2 posts from here and get 2 posts, 1 to each one. The next day it'll take another 2, which one hasn't been posted, and any one of the other 2, and it'll get another 2 and get another post to each one. So if you want to focus all of your efforts of this blog network to one of your sites, then all you'd have to do is add the 1 post in here, or add multiple posts in here with multiple buffer sites that are linking back to your website. Okay, I hope this is making sense to you guys. Okay, so let me show you exactly how you can add an image post now. Okay, first of all, let me just show you reports, guys. You can click on reports near any one of these, okay, and then wait until it downloads. You can open it up, and let me just show you what the reports look like. So the software will actually tell you the date the post was made. Okay, so as you can see, we had one on the 13th, and we had one on the 14th. One was at 12 o'clock and one was at 9:01. It tells you the URL used. So this is actually my YouTube URL, guys, because it was a video that I posted. And it tells you the trust flow of the blog that it was posted on and embedded on. And it tells you the page authority of the blog as well. Okay, so this is for each individual one. At the same time, you can click here as well. Click here to load stats. And this will tell you how many links you've received altogether since you've been a member, and how many links you received yesterday. It doesn't include how many links you've received today. And I'm going to click on report. Okay, and what will happen is it will actually generate me a report now with all the dates. Okay, so as you can see here, on the 15th we received 2 links, on the 14th we received 2, on the 13th we received 2, on the 12th we received 2 as well. And then it tells me the different URLs that it was posted to, and then it tells me the various trust flow and the various page authority to all of the blogs that it was posted to as well. It doesn't actually reveal the blog for you guys, just so that we can actually have some protection in our system, and from URLs getting flagged and from everybody wanting to go out there and look at everyone else's buffer sites. Okay, so anyway, this is how that works, guys. Now let me show you how you can create an image post. An image post, guys, what you do is you add your URL that you want to get the click through to, or your URL that you're looking to promote. You then add your image URLs, 1 per line. Now these are going to be images that are going to be added to the Tumblr blog, okay, like this image here, guys. And when you want to add image URLs, then you need to make sure it's the actual path of the image. So it's going to end with .png, .jpg, .jpeg, or something like that, guys. So it needs to be an actual image URL. Let me just give you an example of this, guys, so that we don't have any issues. Okay, so I'm just going to be using this for example. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to right click, and I'm going to click on view image. When I click on view image, as you can see from the URL, it shows me the .png extension, and this is the actual image. Now what we need to do is take this URL and add it in here, and then the software will actually will actually get this image, and it'll upload it to Tumblr, and it'll click through back to your website if the theme allows it. And at the same time, it allows you to add anchor text, 1 per line, guys, and spin syntax is supported. And underneath the actual image, it will add a caption with your anchor text and your link there as well, guys. And here you can tell the software, or you can tell the system how many links you want to receive to this image post. Okay, and just remember, guys, if you want to have 10 links, then you want to have 10 images in here, 10 image URLs. If you want to get 20 links, you want to have 20 image URLs in here as well. Okay, when you're doing a video post, guys, you add your YouTube URL, you add your anchor text 1 per line, guys. The software will go out there, it will get you embeds for your YouTube video, and it will also get you link backs using anchor text that you add here as well. 1 per line, and spin syntax is supported, and you can tell the software how many posts you want. Okay, so just a few more things, guys, that I want to make notes to you, or I want to make notes of, guys, is from here you can see as well, so image post, there's an article post, there's a video post. When your posts have been completed, guys, you'll find your post down here saying that it's been completed. As you can see, we still got a notification here that it's still running. Now, let's just say, for example, you were creating these links, or you're using the Tumblr blog network for a website that you worked for, and now you no longer work for this client, or this client, he ran away and he didn't pay you for your services, and you're like, oh no, I've done all this work. So what you can do is you can actually click this link here, remove from blog. What this will do, guys, it can take up to 3 days once we've got all of our users in the system, and it can take up to 3 days to actually delete all of the posts that we've created, because you might have up to like 40 posts, 50 posts, 60 posts, even 600 posts, guys. So it can take up to 3 days to delete all of them blogs, or to delete all them posts. But when you click this remove from blog, guys, then it's not saying remove from my dashboard. This means it's going to log in to the Tumblr account and remove your post. It's going to remove your link, guys. Okay, so just keep that in mind. You don't really want to use this that much unless you're in a very desperate circumstance. But yeah, we've left that on there just in case you wanted to do it. Okay, guys, and that's all there is to it, guys. It's super simple, it's super easy. The software is going to continue to make posts for you on a daily basis. It's going to get you 2 posts every single day, and when your posts are actually completed, guys, then you should receive an email making notes saying that, you know what, one of your SociLinkz campaigns has now been completed. Please make sure you have enough posts in the system to let the system continue to post for you. However, guys, just to keep in mind, guys, that this is a brand new system. We haven't tested that feature yet, so please try your best to keep on top of your accounts to make sure that you've always got posts inside of here, so that you can continue to get posts from the system. One more thing that I want to mention as well, guys, is when I click on edit, or you can always edit these as well, or you can, when you're adding it, whatever, sorry, not when you're adding it, but when you're editing it, then what you can do is you can actually click on pause. So let's say, for example, you had about 15 posts inside of here, and then suddenly you thought, well, you know what, I want to focus all of my efforts on one post only. Instead of deleting everything, guys, you can actually click on pause, and it will be paused for you, and then everything else will be sent over to the active campaign. So anyway, this is how you work with the system. It is very easy, it is very straightforward, guys. Now, when you're going to be looking at results, guys, what I will advise you to do is give the system about a month. Hopefully you'll be seeing results much sooner than that, but yeah, give the system about a month, because it's only drip feeding 2 a day, guys, and we're looking to get about 10 to 15 links to start seeing some solid ranking results, and we need to have them links mature for about 10 to 15 days as well. So give it about a month, just over a month, and I promise you're going to get some really hot results from this system. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy working with SociLinkz.